Hi guys, what's up? LB Trader here, yet with another daily recap video. You might be wondering what happened to yesterday's video. I never record lah. Actually, I went drinking, then I came back, it was already pretty late. I was very tired. I decided to rest. So I'll do a 2-in-1 daily recap today. So we'll just kick off with yesterday's one. Now today the date is 13th of June 2025. So the trading day was 12 June as well as 11 June. Alright, so just a quick recap on what happened on the 11th of June. Right, actually I found a setup. As you can see, there's a chart here. So I found a setup. Okay, and there was news at about 8:30. So let's go to 8:30 real quick because I don't trade before 10 minutes before and after the news. So this is the news, right? News has this candle, then set 5, 10. Okay, so now this is 10 minutes after. Right, this is already 8:40. So more or less I am able to take a trade now based on my rules. So if I zoom out based on my own strategy, I will usually look at the 5-minute chart for that day. What is the trend looking like? From what I'm seeing now, it's more of a uptrend already. Here. Then it came down. Okay, it came down. Then after that it broke. So now, since it broke, what am I looking for next? Of course, I'll look for a retest and up higher. That is my plan. Very simple. So it retraced, okay, it retraced some more. So I was like, sweet, this is it, it's coming soon. Then it's retrace, bullish. Oh, sorry, this is not a good candle, so I didn't enter on this, but I entered on this candle instead when this candle formed, right? So put in your trade tool, limit order here. Then my stop loss, I was actually taking reference to here. Actually, either here or here. Actually, this is the one. I was taking reference to this wick here. So I just draw it slightly lower. So now it's 1941. Right? So let's do the same exercise again. As always, make sure you calculate your lot size to limit your losses. So it's a 100k account. I'm risking 2%. 1941 pips stop loss, so it's 1.03. Okay, so I'll open up my terminal, enter the trade here, and let it rip. So I just want to pull out that my trading terminal to let you take a look. Getting my history. Okay, it's actually 1.09. I took a 1.09 position instead, but nevertheless, okay. It went on, so once I entered the trade, I left it as it is. Came down, deep drawdown, then deep drawdown some more, then it reversed back. After reversed back, then it went down again. I held it all the way because my whole strategy is really, once I enter the trade, I'll let it play out. Whether the market wants to give me money that day or want to take away my money, so be it. I let the market do whatever it wants. I basically don't get married to the setup. When I think it's going to go up, okay, I just take the trade, long trade, go up, that's it. If it goes up, good. If it doesn't go up, so be it. Move on to the next day. So that is how I actually approach the market. All this, last time, maybe when I just started, because I've been at this for about 2 years. Last time, I don't adopt this type of mindset. Until recently when I started reading books, and the books that I'm reading was actually like, for example, The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard, Trading the Zone by Mark Douglas. Now I'm actually reading the next book, which is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. So I'm reading this. This is more for stocks, but it also has some kind of psychology in it. So based on these 3 books, all of them mainly touches on psychology, and because of that, I actually adopt a new mindset towards the market. Right? So based on this, as you can see, it came here all the way, and it is midnight. yeah, this is the midnight candle. So what happened was I actually closed here. I'll show you. I closed it here. So it's roughly about 5%, 0.5%. So let me just do a quick one. Okay. So just based on this, I just want to take a quick look how many percent it is. Yeah, it's about 0.57%. So if I'm risking 2%, that means it is a 1K loss on my account. Right? So just to show it to you, for full transparency's sake, okay, I have a 1K loss here. I took it yesterday on the 11th. Then my lot size, let me zoom out. Okay, volume is 1.09, which is roughly almost like this lah. I think what I did was a 2000 watt. Let me see. So I don't know how I got that 1.09, but basically it's quite close to 1.03. So that was the position I took, and the loss that I incurred was 1%, which is relates to 0.5. Okay, so basically that was what has happened on 11 June. Once midnight struck midnight, I exited the trade. Okay. Now to the next day. So this is actually if I put a indicator here, it's minus 0.5. Okay, so it's a 0.5 loss. Then we'll just go on all the way to the next day. Okay, next day, just a quick one. In office, like I mentioned, I start my day at about 9 AM. So this is 9 AM. Okay, 9 AM. And at this point here, I was looking at it. Okay, let's look at this like that. Alright, this looks like an uptrend. So like I said, I'm doing forward testing. I just want to see whether my strategy works out in the London and Tokyo session. Okay, so over here is making higher highs, retrace, go up. That's all, right? My strategy is just that. Wait for a nice bullish candle. So this was a nice one. So I simulated that I would have taken this position, then I let it play out over the day. Eventually, it got stopped out here. Okay, I think there might be a news here. So let's see. 3:30. So we'll open up Forex Factory, check for high impact news yesterday, 12 June. Yeah. 3:40. Not really. Doesn't seem to be a big USD news, but so be it, right? It happens to have a huge drop. That's why I lost. But I mean, this is just a forward testing, so I didn't really think too much about it. Okay. Now we'll fast forward all the way to the New York session. So New York session is here. Okay. Once New York session comes, now same thing. I'll zoom out. I'll delete this just not to confuse you guys. Zoom out what I'm seeing now. Okay. Just now all this was supposedly uptrend, but it went down, right? So I'll just start viewing it from here. So this is what I'm seeing. That's a very simple. Okay. So retrace. Now it's going up. So when it's going up, by right, I will be looking for buys, but because there's a news coming at 8:30, you can see this icon here, right? There's a news coming up, so I didn't take it. I waited for at least minimally 8:40. So up down. So this actually happened. So I was like, this is a good setup, right? This candle here, this is a good setup. So I will actually potentially take it. Then once the news, I think it was also a news candle. Yeah, it was just after a news candle. This was a news candle, the weak one. Then it retraced back. At the point of time, I thought that okay, maybe I should take this position. So if you check out the Discord, right? On the Discord, I put a trade idea at 9:07. So what time was this? This is about 9:07 is about here lah. The next candle. I posted the trade idea here, saying that okay, this is how it looks like. Yeah, it was exactly this candle, and I mentioned that long position on gold analysis is simple. Look like it's making higher highs. There was a retracement, and the bullish candles made me think it will go higher. Right, this candle basically. I'll show you which one that I'm looking at. Right, this is the bunch of candles that make me think it will go up higher. So that was the setup. Then I took it, I put a limit order and let it go. So over here you can see it's 1800. That was my stop loss. Basically I'm taking reference to this candle, so I drag it slightly lower. So let's calculate. 1800 stop loss 1.11. Okay, so you can see here 1.11 on go, and I made unfortunately a loss as well, which is negative 281. So this accounts for at least 0.15%. Right? I jumped the gun, but basically I think we already know from the get-go that it actually was a losing trade. It was a losing trade because once it hit midnight, I was actually on my bed talking to my wife, right? Then I open up my app. Oh, it's already 12 midnight, so I open up. I don't even care what is the price, what is the P&L at that point in time. I just swipe, close, swipe, close. I took it on both my funded as well as FTMO account. Both is a loss, but so be it. Right, it's all part of the game. And yeah, that's the recap that I have for today. I'll just leave it here and see what's going to happen for the next day. All in all, I'm still bullish. It seems bullish to me. So we can just leave this here. Then yeah, I'll delete this. Then I'll put in what happened here is 0.15. Right, that was the loss that I had. So 0.5, 0.15. Let's do it on Excel again. Let's journal. So journal is something that you have to really do, right? You keep track on your P&L. Is it really working? And at the same time, you can do some analysis. So, like, for example, if I want to do an analysis to see, I will need to put one more additional column. Let's see, serial number. Then this is date. This is day. Then this is just P&L. Okay, so let's say for this, for example, what you can do is you can filter. Okay, let's say you just filter out all the Fridays. Then you can actually see your statistic. So there's a total of 24 Fridays. If you look at the bottom here, there's a count of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of 24 trades, there were 10 losing days in my back testing and forward testing. So you can see win rate is about 50-ish, 55%, that kind of thing. So yeah, that's the importance of really journaling your trade. Because when you journal your trade, you can actually go back and see which days are profitable. If you notice that you have a lot of unprofitable days, right, then you can actually maybe avoid trading that day. Okay. So we'll just come back here. I actually make a loss 0.15. So that accounts for the month of June. It is still a profitable month so far, 3.35%. But I have 3 losing trades out of 7. So that is almost like 50-50. I'm still winning more in general. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. Okay. Hope you like the daily recap. It's just a quick one, right? Because I'm just blasting through because I don't want to make it so long. It's already 13 minutes. Okay. Hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to watch my other videos. I think this will be my 12, 13. I think this will be my 13th video of daily recap. And yeah, hope you like it. Okay. Feel free to join the Discord channel as well. Mr. Mario and I, my friend, we are leading this Discord channel. It's still very new, as you can see. It's only like 5 people, but we're trying to grow a community. So feel free to join us. You can actually come in, chat up with us. You can also chat me on the comments if you want of my video. Okay. If there's nothing else, I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 13th already, right? The next trade is it's on a Friday. Just a quick one. Let's see if it's a Friday. Any high impact news? Okay, China yen, USD. USD at 10 p.m. There's a USD high impact news. That means most likely there's no trade for tomorrow lah. I'm just guessing because if the setup doesn't come by then, right? Okay, maybe there's a possibility. We'll see. Alright, I'll do a daily recap for tomorrow for sure. Right, I'm not going out to drink, so don't worry. Another video will drop tomorrow. Actually, on Saturday morning. Okay, if there's nothing else, I will see you tomorrow. Ciao. Good night.